The Ford F-150 Raptor Shelby is a vehicle that commands attention, blending raw power with premium craftsmanship. It's the ultimate combination of Ford's legendary truck engineering and Shelby's performance expertise, making it a standout in the world of high-performance trucks. Whether tearing through the desert or cruising on city streets, the F-150 Raptor Shelby delivers an experience that's nothing short of exhilarating. At its core, the Raptor Shelby builds on the already capable Ford F-150 Raptor platform. The base model is renowned for its off-road prowess, thanks to features like a high-output EcoBoost engine, advanced suspension system, and rugged design. However, Shelby takes this foundation to another level by enhancing performance, design, and exclusivity. It's not just a truck, it's a statement of power and precision. Under the hood, the Raptor Shelby is a beast. The standard twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine gets a significant upgrade, with Shelby adding performance tweaks that push horsepower beyond the 500 mark. This boost ensures the truck delivers blistering acceleration and enough torque to tackle the most demanding terrains. Paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission, the powertrain ensures smooth gear transitions, whether you're climbing a rocky trail or overtaking on the highway. Shelby's modifications also extend to the truck's suspension system. The F-150 Raptor is already equipped with Fox racing shocks, but Shelby refines those further to ensure unparalleled control and comfort. The upgraded suspension makes it possible to handle jumps, rough trails, and uneven roads with ease. The large, custom-tuned off-road tires provide extra grip, allowing the truck to maintain stability even in the harshest conditions. Visually, the Raptor Shelby is as aggressive as it is functional. Shelby adds distinctive touches that set the truck apart from the standard Raptor. From the signature Shelby stripes to the custom hood with functional air vents, every detail screams performance. The truck also features a bold front grille with Shelby branding, ensuring it stands out in any setting. LED lights, both on the grille and along the roof, add practicality for nighttime off-roading while enhancing its menacing appearance. The interior of the Raptor Shelby is equally impressive, combining luxury with utility. Shelby adds custom leather upholstery, embroidered seats, and carbon fiber accents that elevate cabin's aesthetic. Advanced technology, including Ford's Sync infotainment system, ensures drivers and passengers stay connected and entertained. With ample space for passengers and gear, the interior strikes a perfect balance between comfort and practicality. Shelby's attention to detail extends to customization options, allowing owners to personalize their trucks. From unique paint finishes to bespoke interior touches, the Raptor Shelby can be tailored to suit individual tastes. This level of customization adds to its exclusivity, making it a prized possession among truck enthusiasts. The F-150 Raptor Shelby isn't just about brute strength, it's about delivering a complete driving experience. The enhanced aerodynamics, improved handling, and refined performance make it a versatile vehicle, equally at home on the trails and highways. Whether you're hauling equipment, exploring the wilderness, or simply enjoying the thrill of driving, this truck rises to the occasion. Fuel efficiency isn't the Raptor Shelby's primary focus, but the advanced EcoBoost engine ensures it offers reasonable mileage for a performance truck. This balance of power and efficiency makes it a practical choice for those who demand both capability and performance from their vehicles. The Ford F-150 Raptor Shelby is more than a truck, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design. It embodies the spirit of adventure, delivering unmatched performance and style. For those who seek a vehicle that can conquer any challenge while turning heads, the Raptor Shelby is the ultimate choice. With its heritage, power, and exclusivity, it's a testament to what happens when innovation meets passion.